Disclaimer. So, Octavia's voice is British. So, don't judge me if I can't speak British. And then you was very confused. So that's their voices. Oh, by the way, I'll tell you their voices later. Bye. Wake up, you silly. Ugh, I'm too tired. Could I have a few minutes? Oh, I could really do a few minutes. Well, school starts in 15 minutes. Oh, I'll get dressed in a second. Get off your laptop. But why? Get off your laptop now! Okay. I'll get off my laptop. I'll grab my oh my gosh, I can't speak today. Finish. Fidget spinner. Yes, that's the word. Thank you. Oh my gosh, who can't get distracted? This is so cool. Oh my gosh, he's texting me. Oh my gosh, hey baby. Oh my gosh, he's texting. He's so romantic. Oh my gosh, I can't stop. Ugh, I just want to stay home all day. I have to get my fidget. Oh my gosh, I can't speak. Fidget. Fidget spinner. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Myself. And close my laptop, I guess. And then I'll go to my best friend. Hang on, let me close the door. Okay, look. Okay, you've got the stuff stuck in your head. Put the fidget spinner away and let's get to class before we're late. It's so boring in here.